Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.1 question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Let let the amount of money let the amount let the amount of money let the amount of money let the amount of money which Chameli which Chameli had in the beginning in the beginning in the beginning bx. It is given that it is given that it is given that after after spending spending 75% of rupees x 75% of rupees x, she was left with rupees 600. She was left with rupees 600 with rupees 600 with rupees 600. Therefore, according to the question according to the question according to the question 100 minus 75 100 minus 75 percent of x is equal to 600. 100 minus 75, that is 25% of x is equal to 600. Therefore, 25 by 100 by 100 into x is equal to 600, or the value of x can be found out as x is equal to 600 into 100 divided by 25. 25 into 25, 25 4 is 100, or 4 is 24, 2 4 2 4 0 0 rupees. Right? Therefore you can say she had rupees 2400 in the beginning. In the beginning, 2400 in the beginning. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.